What started here in Jenbach, Austria, many years ago has grown into a 90-year success story. With strong customer dedication, our employees deliver sustainable energy solutions to cities and remote regions. You'll find INNIO's Jenbacher gas engines at work generating power and heat at or near the point of use all over the world. Pioneering innovations from Jenbach have revolutionized large gas engine technology. A heritage of engineering teamwork from an early stage established a history of world firsts during a journey toward a greener energy future. Clever design, the highest quality production methods, and dedication to flawless service are at the heart of every Jenbacher product. The best technicians operate the most modern machining centers and use state-of-the-art digital tools to set new industry standards. Many have worked with Jenbacher for more than 20 years and understand every nut and bolt and every circuit and sensor of each of the multiple gas engine models. This valuable expertise, combined with a team of highly specialized engineers, makes Jenbacher a reliable partner for the future. Together with our network of certified Jenbacher distributors and service providers, we are present in more than 100 countries to support our customers on-site with simplicity and speed. Let's take a look at the German city of Kiel, where our products provide optimum power and heat for the municipal utility, serving thousands of residents. A more environmentally friendly alternative to previously used coal-fired methods. Jenbacher engines also secure the emergency power supply of multiple data centers, which is cleaner than traditional backup diesel generators. Using biogas from the waste of thousands of chickens helps a farm in China reduce CO2 emissions. And after Typhoon Haiyan devastated vast parts of the Philippines, leaving 4 million people without electricity, our engines were among the first to provide vital power to homes and hospitals. The owners of high-tech greenhouses in the Netherlands, Russia, the US, and many other countries feed their power into the public grid at peak consumption times, opening up an additional source of income for them, while improving their crop yield through lighting and heating of the greenhouses. All customer sites can be monitored remotely with Jenbacher's My Plant Asset Performance software solution, ensuring smooth operation of all engines and avoiding downtime. On the journey to the energy transition, one thing is clear: tomorrow must be CO2 neutral. So Jenbacher continues increasing efficiency and outputs, making engines that are even more fuel flexible and sustainable in operation. Jenbacher engines can even operate on hydrogen, ensuring a greener perspective for everyone. Day after day, our team in Jenbach and around the globe strive for genuine engineering excellence, reinventing ourselves and our engines over and over again. We are Jenbacher. Energy solutions everywhere, every time.